What is up, guys? It is Cars Across Texas here, and we're out at Bombshells once again. I already saw some pretty cool stuff, like an 1800 horsepower GT3 parked up there. So let's go take a look, and we're almost to 15,000 subs, guys. So let's make it happen before my birthday in February. That'd be cool. Hey, my man! Alright, let's check out the show, guys. Listen to this Pro Charger on the C5, guys. Got a matte white wide body Hellcat here. This thing is sick. Now, out of all the cars that I've seen wide body, I think the Challenger is probably one of the better looking ones with the kit on it. That or the R35. But let me know what you think, guys. If you could wide body one car, what would it be? We got this crazy Supra here and some nice Volk wheels, it looks like. Very, very nice. And of course the R33 GTR. Jaguar XKRS. Here we got the 1,250 horsepower Huracan. And then next to it, a 1,800 horsepower twin turbo Porsche GT3. This thing is pretty nuts. Which would you have, the GT3 or the Huracan? Got the C7C. Got that boy to leave. Hey, yeah, I got you. Oh my God, he's got a puppy.
It's got jacks on all four. I hear something. Husband and wife.
Got a boosted Mustang right here. So check out this supercharger on this 5.0 Paxton. Supercharged, about 940 to the wheels. This thing is crazy, man. Got the Bape Scat. Pretty fat can right there. Ooh, I love it. I love it.
I got a big 6, we got a 6 man.
The only thing about this old school style of Passat right here, I really love these old boxy like 80s cars, 80s Euro cars, those E30 BMWs, this sort of style Passat. Something about it, man. It just looks so cool. Whew.
Oh,
Right hand
I know
drive,
who
my
you
man.
is there, bye.
Got the slab. Got the Porsche Turbo S. We got race truck. The chick-driven GTR. Yes, sir. Yes, ma'am, I guess. Cute too. We got the Maybach pulling in. Out of place here. Come on, hit it again, bro. That thing is insane. Right now. Look at this puppy. The dog vlog 2.0, man.
Make sure everything's. I haven't checked the story. That's what. Yeah. I'm always down for some lady drip.
Got the ProCharge C5 motor. Thing is bad, man. Sounds like a jet pulling up. So on this ProCharge C5 hood, I'm not sure if you're gonna be able to read that, but it says, "Ham for her pleasure, loan for mine." My man. This SN95 Cobra on some slicks. Not bad, not bad. Pretty soft. See a TV boy? Yes, sir! Oh my God! Yeah!
My tires won't really grip this road. Hey, you got it! You got it!
Yes, sir!
Not the Nova!
Yeah! Send it, send it, send it!
That thing is quiet as fuck.
They've ruined the fun. What are you doing, sir? Oh, he's going for him. He's going for him. Spin him, spin him! Hell yeah. Your turn, let's get it!
Hey, look at
Oh man, you're ruining the fun! No burnout! Send it! We got OG Wild Davis out here. Too bad the cop is there, man. What's up, boss? Yeah, he sent it! Yeah! That wing, dude. The Viper ACR that snuck in behind me. Did not see this, but this thing is wicked, man. It's pretty crazy. Another car that I just completely missed roll in. Underground Racing Gen 2 R8 on some HRE wheels. Nice, man. Got the twin turbo Huracan and the twin turbo GT3 rolling out, man.
Bye-bye, boss.
Bye-bye, Doc. My gas double or triple. Like twice.
Getting the Mustang, no! He sent it for the vlog, man. Big dog, come on, huh? Just 2 steps, real quick. Come on. One wheel peeled. Fucking send it! Drive! Got the G37 shooting some flames real quick. How much horsepower do you think these fender vents and a hood scoop add? You think he's real fast or something, man? That's real nice. swear to God, I can't go anywhere. This vet is insane, man.